Dad.
Them thing you come from my... Yo, can't reach it. Yo, dog. My heart.
If you reach it, dog, I'll be going to the dog. We'll see if right this, dog.
Yo, come try. Yo, fuck yourself. Run the fuck up.
I'm tired, dog. Press, man.
Mikey, can't stay right inside. Mike, what? Are you pinging?
Dog, I got 2 word with my service, dog. You think we just gonna go tomorrow? Please, dog, man, enjoy this, dog.
Man, alright, look for me. I look out this up. I look on the crackers on the table.
Food.
That can't serve with. Can't serve with.
Get on the grill, dog. That can't last me.
You need to, Mike, you need to man up in my youth. Upon the situation in my youth, why am I be stuck in a Jamaica apocalypse filled with zombies with you?
And you want to go this alright?
Dog, you have to leave. Mike, you have to leave.
Alright, I'm sure, man. I'm thinking. No man say on Twitter, they might run him down, they might trick him, no reply. I'm not dead, dog.
No, man. Grab up something, we need weapons. No, grab up something, grab up something.
What's it? Hey, listen, German car, DD service, cooks, food, we're good, right?
Forward. Road. We need to know what we're going to mind.
We can shoot down 2 actively, dog, and see if we can't drive to.
But what the fuck that, yo? On the scene of the Jamaica
Yes.
The first ever zombie film in Jamaica.
Quite so.
Come here, zombie fella. Tell him, my good sir.
Yes,
How was this one?
This film was painstaking to do, but it will be very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Mikey, say something to the priceless nation.
We are there making videos of Indians and curry and zombies. We like curry and zombies. We're going to kill them all.
Say something, miss.
Yes, we're going to kill them all.
Oh, is it?